Alright guys, as you guys know, I'm doing a 10-part series on my channel of all of the items that are new in my wardrobe or luxury unboxing. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing or showing you my new wide leg denim pants by The Row. Now these are really nice pants. They're quite expensive. I've been having these on my wish list for a very long time. If you actually saw my wish list, 2024 wish list, you would have actually seen these Row Griselda pants, but they were really expensive. They retail for $9.20 and I was able to get them on clearance for $300. So they're still pretty pricey, but I mean, I basically saved over $600. So it's always nice to wait for the sale. But yeah, really cute wide leg pants. I was really looking for something that was super oversized and super comfy that I can wear casually but still look put together. So let me go ahead and show you guys how this looks on me. Alright guys, here is the Row Griselda pants. As you can see, these pants are super wide leg, but they're so comfortable. So comfortable and yet so stylish, right? Has a pleating detail in the front, extremely baggy and loose and wide leg. You can wear these with boots, heels, sneakers. No one can really even see your shoes. So you can get away with wearing pretty much any kind of shoes at all. Platforms, stilettos, anything. Sneakers, sandals. Really comfy, really cool, really chic, casual, and elevated look. I'm actually styling it very similar to the way the model styled it in the pictures that I probably will insert somewhere in this video, because that was the initial reason why I bought it. I wanted to wear this kind of casually and still look really chic and put together. So really happy that I got these pants, especially on clearance and at the price point that I got them at. But you can see, as you can see, they're really comfortable, really cool, fun pants that you can add to your wardrobe. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. As you know, I will be doing unboxings all throughout the week of any new items that come into my wardrobe, so stay tuned. And as always, do it always with style.